So I was down cutting some firewood and I happened to look up and see a UPS truck in front of my house. And I didn't really think much of it. And I came up from cutting firewood and found this on my porch. So, to my surprise, and very much excited, they sent me the regular old Sidewinder M18 saw. So I'm gonna cut her open and we can take a look. We got the D handle, which I have to tell you, I am absolutely in love with this thing. The D handle is smooth. It's got power out the wazoo. You couldn't ask for a better saw. I love that thing. But we were saying we could really use a Sidewinder because in some situations, the Sidewinder, the little, regular trick saw, the blade's on the right. The D handle is on the left, like a worm gear. So like in some situations, you can't get it down far enough to cut. Like if you're cutting the bottom of a door, you can go one way, but you can't go the other. So when you plunge in and start cutting this way, you can't go back and cut that because it's right on the ground. Where this guy, the unfolding, is on the side. Now this is only a 6.5 inch versus the regular 7.25, but I think we can make that work. It's almost as heavy, so that's kind of surprising to me. I thought it'd be a little lighter, but throw a battery in this later on and give it a shot and try it out. All right, well, there it is, the M18, the little 6.5 inch. So as I was going through some more of the unboxing here, it does come with a blade. See? So you can even put the blade on it and go to town, cut. That is all the accessories that come with it. See, they do have the little dust port thing. There's a little screw in the bag yet. But that goes on the side over here. So you can hook your vacuum up to it. See, vacuum attachment, there. I don't know that I'm going to use that because it'll just shoot the dust back at me because we don't usually work inside houses. When we do, I'll have it in the trailer. You can kind of screw it on and use it if need be. Cool little attachment. Not really good for us, but hey, could be good for you.